The aim of today's video is to show a method for determining the pulse of a magnetic field using an electronic indicator. This operation is essential for all work with permanent magnets. I will use magnets to create the Halbach array used in shaping the magnetic field. This array is designed to strengthen one of the poles and weaken the other. In this case, I will use 5 12 x 12 x 12 mm neodymium magnets. I will present the shape of the created magnetic field in another of the videos showing work with magnetic paper, which I highly recommend watching. If you like what you see, please consider to press like and subscribe buttons. Hi, and see you later.